This week's fragrance is one that I love more and more every single time I use it or even smell it from the bottle, and it is Santal Royale from Guerlain. This fragrance is so beautiful. The bottle is beautiful, and the bottle actually in my mind is a really good representation of what's inside as the juice. To me, it is absolutely like an oriental, Middle Eastern kind of scent. It is sandalwood, very sandalwood forward. There is an oud accord to it. There is some amber, rose. And here's the thing, right? I don't know that it's not similar to other fragrances. Like, I think that I could probably off the top of my head pick up a couple scents that would be kind of in the same family as far as the basic notes. But the sandalwood in this on me, like on my skin, is pretty forward, which means that it is woodier and you really smell that sandalwood right throughout the dry down, which other fragrances that have similar notes don't really pull on me. And I love anything and everything sandalwood. I own a lot of fragrances in this family because this is like my comfort zone. And listen, this is such a beautiful, sophisticated, elegant, slightly spicy and sexy fragrance. If this fragrance was a person, she is like the epitome of powerhouse elegance. Like, she is strong and powerful, but quietly so. And when she walks into the room, you know that she's there, and every single piece of clothing and accessory and makeup and hair, like everything is just perfectly in sync. She's just exuding elegance and like raw feminine power. That's what I get from this fragrance. It is a stronger, slightly heavier perfume, and a little bit goes a long way, but wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. If you love oriental, spicy, Middle Eastern, oudy kind of fragrances, you're gonna love this one. That's it for this week's fragrance. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, please leave a comment down below and let me know what fragrance you were loving this week so that I can add more to my wish list. But until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye!